So this website that I'm going to share with you right now, they are going to pay you money to copy and paste YouTube videos. As you can see right here, you can make up to at least $5 just by copy and paste YouTube videos. So we're going to jump right into the video right away, and I'm going to explain to you how we're going to get started. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to come over to this website. This website is called answers.com. So go to answers.com, and if you follow exactly what I'm going to say in this method, you're going to be able to make money. So this is just copy and paste and share YouTube videos online and make money. So answers.com, this is a great website that you can go where people will search for answers for basically any and everything. So if someone wants to get a particular answer on a math question or a science question or anything to do with astrology or English literature, or even just finding something about how to put together a furniture for your house. So this website is amazing. And if you scroll down here, you could realize that you could do stuff in math, you could do stuff in history, literature, language, technology, and all that. And if you want to download the app as well, they got an app on the Apple and also on the Google Play Store. So it's easy to sign up. All you got to do is just scroll down here and then you click on where it says to join. But once you join, I'll tell you what you're supposed to do next. If you haven't liked or subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that right away. Give this video a thumbs up because I create brand new videos for you so you can go out there and you could crush it and you could start making money. So let's go back to the video. So once you sign up for this and you create your account and everything, I'm just going to explain to you how it works. So if you click on, for example, business and finance. When I click on business and finance, what's going to happen? It's going to show you the different questions and answers that people are asking. For example, look at this one. What is the difference between margin and margin? Now you will have 134 different answers just come up. What is the proper amount to tip for customer service? So these are engagement questions that people are doing. As you can see, someone say generally most people in the United States will tell you good service deserve anywhere from 15 to 20% tip. As a former server myself, I tend to give a little bit more. So these are questions that's going to strike people's interest and it's going to go out there. Now, Andre, what does this website have to do with copy and paste YouTube videos? Now, let's get into it. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to come over to answers.com and we're going to find different questions related to what people are searching for. Then we're going to go over to Google. Let me just go back. Let me go here let me just go here and see what is ABA number in HSBC Bank. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to head on over here to YouTube and I'm just going to paste it in here. So what this is going to do, it's basically going to give me the answer, right here. So all I have to do, since this video is a 3-minute video, I'm going to click on the video right here. So I want to click on it. Then I'm going to copy and paste this link. So I click on here, right here. And this is the link you want to copy and paste. So if you copy and paste this link right here, just copy. Then step number 3, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to this website. And this website that I'm talking about, it is called Okeo.io. So OKE.io. What are they going to be doing? They pay a minimum of $5 and they pay you every single day. You can get paid in Bitcoin, you can get paid in PayPal, and also in Stroke. So you can read the terms and the conditions and everything. Now, if you click on here on the home section, you can see that this is a link shortener and you can earn money just by doing that. You can earn up to $27 for 10,000 views. And the reason why we're going to copy and paste YouTube links, and we're going to go over here, is because we're not selling anything. That means there's no money out of pocket that we're going to be helping people with, all they have to do is just click on it and they watch it. Now you can even make even more money if you decide that you have family members, you got friends, you got people in your WhatsApp or on your Facebook. You could share this great opportunity with them as well. So if you share this with them, you're going to be earning a 20% lifetime every time they do something with it. You can do that. The good thing about this is a minimum of $5 payout, so you don't have to get a whole ton of money to get paid out. Now, I've just created a video, not a video, I just created an account just for particular video. So if you click on account right here, as you can see, so far my average CPM is $2.50, right? So that means that's the average thing, and you will start to see your earnings. When you create your account, it's going to be zero. So far, I made 0.0025 cents. Now, it's going to start to accumulate, and as you can see here, my daily cost per action or cost per, CPM is, it's basically $2.50. So far, right, I have one view. One view. I decided to test it out. I posted it in some group, and people are already clicking on it. So it's the same thing that you're going to do. You're going to copy the link, right? After you copy the link, you want to put it over here, and you want to paste that YouTube link right here. Now you want to click on this shorten button, and then once you click on this, what's going to happen? Here's your link that you're going to use. Now, a few different things, all right? You can find viral content, viral videos. You can find what is hot, what is trending. And what you can do as well, you can always find, trending videos. So if you want to crush it, right? And let's say you don't want to, you could go here on this three dot. You want to click on this. You want to click on home. Once you click on home, what you could do is you could go for all. So you can click on what's trending. This is the home section, right? There's COVID stuff. People always like to watch COVID stuff, movie recommended, and all that. Now, you could type in, let's say, news. You type in news, and once you type in news, you could type in filter. And then you could see the last hour. You could go today. You could go with this week. You could go with this month. You can go with view count. So if you want to click on view count, once you click on view count, you will see that this was 4 months ago, right? And if you want to go where it says rating, click on rating, and you could see what's rating. It's like 2 months. 2 months, that's like 16 hours ago. So you can find things that are trending, what's hot, what's going out there. You can even do live. So if you want to do live, you could find what's live, what's going on, and try to find something with a lot of views. Now here, as you can see, this seems like it's some international journalist. I've never seen that before. But you can see that there's 1,500 people are watching this video right now. So you could just copy this link since it's live, do the same thing again. You want to copy it. If you don't want to use the website answer.com that I showed you, and then you head on over here, you paste the link, shorten it, copy it, and then what you could do, you could share it. But as I said, over here, there's a lot more people. And the good thing is with this particular website that is called answers.com, you could post your link on there and it's going to be there forever because someone is going to click on it. You can go into the investing and the financial side. What is arbitrage? You can click on this and you can write your answers, and then paste your link. So here's a great video. You could say, hey, arbitrage is this, but if you want to go into a more in-depth training, click on the link right here. And then what's going to happen, they're going to click on the link. And when they click on the link, all they have to do is just go through a quick little process. And then once they do that, that's how you can start making money. So as I said to you, this website will pay you how to copy and paste YouTube videos. So if you copy and paste YouTube videos and you paste it over here, copy this and then go over to answers.com and you could just start answering questions over there and leave your ikale.io link. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you're looking for more video, don't forget like, subscribe. If you want my #1 recommendation of how I make money, check out the first link in the description. I'll send it over to you so you can get started. Have a great day and be blessed.